Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a great potential income earner with 9 bedrooms in this lovely guest house on the west end of Jamaica. Built in the early 90s and was successfully run as a guest house. Ready for a new owner. Just need some cosmetics. Price to sell. Has 9 large bedrooms and open floor plan, beautifully landscaped. Only few minutes to the beach. The land area of this house is approximately 11,326 square feet. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 499,000 or Jamaican $76.8 million. To purchase our make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.